So guys, we are done swimming for today and we are already on our way. We are on our way going home. We are already in the car. Yeah. Today's swimming was... Hello guys, welcome back. Today is beach day. Yeah, we are in the beach chilling. I'm here with my kids and we are chilling. Today is Sunday, August 8th, 2021. We decided today to come to the beach. Before the summer will be over, we have to enjoy the beach. So we are here. Good for you. Everyone is. God is what? Cover the ice cream. Mildred. Mildred, stop that. go, shift. Go. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are in the beach. We are in the beach having nice time. We are here having fun. So, and I'm relaxing.
The kids are playing.
If you don't mean, go shift back. Shift back. Yeah. So guys, no, shift back.
Let me cut.
So guys, see you later.
Bye. Me. Say hello.
So guys, we are done swimming for today. We are done for today's beach and we are going home. Yes, we are now on our way going home. We are in the car about to move. So thanks for tuning in today and see you again in our next video. Bye for now. So guys, we are done swimming for today and we are already on our way. We are on our way going home. We are already in the car. Yeah. Today's swimming was oh my god. The salt in this water. Whew, the salt is just too much. And before you know, your skin color changes.
Yeah, like my own.
Just like magic. If you are fair, you become dark. In fact, the salt in it
Too
too much. Your eye is pepperish.
much. If you enter your mouth or not, your nose will be very hot inside and your mouth has to
But
squeeze salt.
it's once in a while.
That's what I tried to do. But
It's not what we do always. Just we have to enjoy it in this summer because when it's winter, I think we go once in a year, and that is during the summer time, the sunny time. So that is it, guys. So we go home, we move. Bye guys.
bye.
See you again.